Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two very special Chanel unboxings to share with you. For those of you who already follow me on Instagram at Hello Catwalk City, it's the same name as my channel here, then you may have already seen this gorgeous piece. I was the very lucky winner of the giveaway that LV Lover CC did. So if you don't know Charis at LV Lover CC, she is a pretty major YouTuber. She's got a huge following. She's got thousands and thousands of subscribers and just an amazing collection of luxury items. And so if you haven't checked her out already, go and do so. I highly recommend. I've been a fan of hers for many years. Little did she know when I entered her giveaway, and I really wasn't going to enter because I haven't won anything since I was a child. So I thought the chances were super slim, especially for someone like her who will have so many people interested in entering. I thought, just the odds are really low for me to win. But my children have been really involved in the giveaways that I've been doing on my channel, and they said, "Mommy, you should enter a giveaway to see if you could win something too." And I explained to them that the chances were really slim, but when they saw this item pop up on Instagram, they were like, "Oh my gosh," especially my daughter. She was like, "It's such a pretty piece, you have to enter." So with their encouragement, I entered, and I still can't believe that I won. So let me show you here without further ado. Dun, 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 dun. Here is the beautiful Chanel card holder in the red. I mean, it's such a pretty red. It's like a bright cherry pop of red. And it has the caviar with the light gold hardware and the camellia flower all throughout, including the back. It's just really intricate, and it screams Chanel. And for those of you who watched my previous videos, you know I was kind of on the hunt for, I wouldn't say hunt, but I had really been keeping my eyes open for something with a pop of red that I wanted to add to my collection, but I couldn't find the right piece. And I don't know that I would have spoiled myself with such a beautiful piece like this because I already have a Chanel card holder, and so I'm not the type to then duplicate. Even though my Chanel card holder is over 15 years old and is practically considered vintage now, it's super special to me, and I've been using it practically every day. It was given to me by my husband when we were dating, so this is like way back when we were college students, and I'll show it to you really quickly. You probably saw some photos of it on my Instagram, and I've definitely featured this in some other videos when I show what's in my bag. So here it is, and the first thing you'll notice, aside from the fact that this is old and this one here is new, is the size difference. So the one that I won from Charis is definitely more substantial in size, and then my original one is a mini version. So I can show you really quickly, just to give you a frame of reference. Here's my Metro card, which goes with me everywhere because I live in New York City and I take public transit every single day. So here it's essentially the same size as a credit card, and it fits very snugly. The same in the back. When I use the new card holder, definitely more roomy, as you can see on the sides, and the same goes for the back. But other than the size, the structure is essentially the same. So you can see here in the front, there is one slot, and then in the back there are two slots, and then there's the main compartment in the middle. And I've already started using this beauty, so I'm really excited to alternate, and then that will actually kind of extend the life of my original card holder. By the way, for being over 15 years old, I think that the quality is superb and the condition is really holding up nicely. There's one loose thread here which I will snip after filming, but yeah, this is just a totally different vibe. It's more modern, it's brighter, it's bigger. It's just the flower, I think, it adds a certain detail to it that makes it really feminine. So Charis, if you're watching this video, thank you again. Thank you so much. This was such a super generous giveaway, and I am still I'm still in disbelief that I won it. And by the way, this was brand spanking new when I received it. Original packaging, everything like you can see here. And Charis sent a really sweet card as well. Where is it? Okay. Here, I love the personal touch. When I do my giveaways, I always include a note or a card as well. And I think it adds that, that personal element to it. So here's the card, which I really appreciated. And the original price tag was on here. And wow, this I guess currently retails for $400. And I'm not entirely surprised because Chanel is expensive, but when my husband, who was my boyfriend at the time, purchased this one for me, we were at Saks Fifth Avenue together, and I'm pretty sure this was in the ballpark of $150 at the time. And granted, a lot of years have passed, and there's inflation, and there's the Chanel price increases, but wow, 150-ish to 400-ish. It's pretty amazing. And that again just makes me feel super lucky to win this beautiful item. And I know that every giveaway is a generous giveaway, but when you are giving away something as pricey as this, I just feel like it is, it is quite generous. So again, Charis, thank you very much. I will cherish this piece forever. I will use it very well, and I will take good care of it. And of course, I will continue to be a fan of yours, as I've been for many, many years. So that's the unboxing number 1. And then I have this one here, which will be a surprise to everyone because it was certainly a surprise to me. This arrived last night and I just opened it today. So I haven't even gotten a good look at it. I just opened it and then I screamed because I was so surprised, and then I was speechless because I don't own anything like this. I never would have thought to purchase something like this for myself. I feel like it's one of those like luxury items that you gift, but you don't think to get for yourself because, I don't know, sometimes you treat other people better than yourself, right? So I befriended Elma, and Elma, I hope you're watching and you catch this because you are just a lovely soul. I know we often say that we're soul sisters, but Elma and I, we bonded over Chanel, and we bonded over just handbags. She saw one of my videos way back when, probably late last year, and then she reached out to me through Instagram, and we have just bonded. And anytime we go shopping or we have thoughts around a certain item, we share and we talk about it. We've talked on the phone, we message pretty much all day, every day, but we've never met in person because I'm in New York and she's in Texas. And I know, Elma, you are planning to visit New York for your birthday this spring, so I really hope that we can grab lunch and get to, just hang out. But look at this beautiful, beautiful mirror. It's a handheld, really substantial, nice size. I'm going to just show you here. You're not going to get really much because it's just me standing here in front of the camera and then my window behind me, but look at that size of mirror. And I don't have a handheld mirror. Actually, I don't have any mirrors. I just use my bathroom mirrors when I get ready in the morning, and then I don't actually have a nice mirror. So this is so precious, and look at it. It's like so classic and elegant and just pretty. And from what I understand from Elma, this is a item reserved for VIP Chanel clients and cannot really be purchased in the boutiques, so that makes it more exclusive and just really extra special. And for me, it's the fact that it came from her, and I did nothing to deserve this. She sent, it's not my birthday, it's not anything, she just sent it because she's such a sweet and thoughtful person. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel really lucky that I have these two beautiful items in my life now from two beautiful ladies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to join the fun. Sorry, there are sirens in the background, so I'm gonna take this as a cue to go. Till next time, bye bye.